Bird Paradise. Oh, bus stop. Wow. Let me. Oh. Bird Paradise in that direction. Go up the escalator. Yeah. Ah, waterfall. The small one. Yeah. Not as big as the previous one. Oh, there is where the taxi stand is. So all on the same floor. Coach Bay. The private car drop off at pick-up point, and that side is the bus drop point, and back to taxi. So we're all round one round on level 1. Let's go up. Wow. Okay, let's continue to go up to Bird Paradise. We need to cross the Echo Bridge. Wow, bamboo ceiling. Let's read the sign. Oh, Bird Paradise is actually 200 meters. Wow, I see A&W. Okay, what do we have here? So all the coach, taxi, shuttles is all below the escalator. Then if you go further up will be the zoo, night safari and river wonders. Let's go to Bird Paradise. Oh. Do note that all admission ticket can only purchase online. Hundred and 5 meters to Bird Paradise. Whoa! Wait, this is the map. They also have Hans Union here. Wow, grand opening. Next, Bird of Paradise ice cream. Wow. Cheers. So you can get your drinks here. Actually, there's quite a lot of eateries, but it's just at the entrance. Okay, coffee house.
Why don't you just leave the bag there?
And what do we have here? Oh, can see the aviary area. Where's the birds? Oh, there's another restaurant. It's called Pavilion Banana Leaves. Wow, sounds good. Oh, they also have Starbucks. Oui, oui. Oh, actually, we're nearing the entrance now. The park is quite big. There's some place for you to take some more photos, but it's quite warm now, so later. You also can make some memberships. You can make a membership and some experience. Okay, here we are, Bird Paradise. Club dancer. Wow. Okay, let's go in.